Hello guys, welcome in this new video. Today we are going to see this new program. Basically is a wallet, a DIY wallet. So I have a card that doesn't support a dedicated app to take notes of all my payments, so I decided to do it myself. So let's get started. So of course I need to have it on my phone, so I'm using Kivy library and Kivy+Android library to create after this PY file an APK file thanks to buildozer, so I can use my app on my phone. Here I import some widgets like box layout, some property like the string property and the object property, and other library like NumPy of course and pandas to read my payments that I stored in a CSV file. Sorry for the language, I'm Italian, so I used Italian language for this file, like importo, that means the morning that I spend, so 89, then I have the date 31 July 2022, and then the description. And in this case there is no description because I simply had one number to test my app. And then I have the email module to send me this file on Gmail for more analyze analyze it with pandas or with matplotlib if I need to do it. It is not necessary, I can remove it, but if next year I need to analyze it on Excel or also still in Python, I can do it. So let's run the app. As you can see, we have three windows. The first let us to see how much money we have. The second one let us to add some payments, for example 23, and when I had some payments, automatically it will be subtracted from the total amount. So if I had 23, it do 500 minus 23, so 477. And then we have the third window that display out our movements. So now we have 23, but if I add for example 45 and then reload this, also have 45, and of course this will update based on my ad. And I can also remove this one. I can swipe and then press this trash can, or I can just I just click here and it will be removed out. So yeah, of course another time the main window will update, and if I reload I can I only see 45, and I remove everything. This trash can instead helps to clean the file from all my ads. So if I had 34, 56, 23, and then press the trash can, I reset my wallet. And this might be helpful sometimes because if you have a card that every month will be reset, or simply you want to remove all your input, you can do it. I leave you in my GitHub link repository where you can find all this code. Of course, you can edit or you can add some tips. So feel free to let me know what do you think about this. So this is how the program works. It is very simple. We have a class that inherits from the MD app. Then we initialize the module, and I select the blue-gray color as main color of my app. Then of course build based on this Kivy string. It is very simple to understand. There is no complicated things, no complicated function to use. Maybe the more complicated things is how I manage the screen, because first I have a one screen, then a navigation layout, and then a screen manager with two screens inside it. So this is the more complicated things I had to figure it out some months ago, but the rest is really simple. If you have some knowledge of Kivy, you are able to easily understand what is written here. So guys, for this video is all. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you need some tips, I can help you to edit this file or to make your dedicated application with your logo. What do you need? You need to do a backup every day, or you need to have a software on the PC instead of the Android phone, so I can build an app also using TK Inter if you don't like this this interface, because it is fancy for Android. So let me know. Bye, and see you on the next video. Thank you.